Hey guys, it is another week of What's for Dinner, and today we are trying a new recipe, and it's from the Pioneer Woman, like you have seen in my weekly grocery haul. So we are having the spatchcock chicken with some roasted veggies. It looks really good. So this is what we're having. So it's a whole chicken. I just cut it up into some pieces. I got a wing and half of a half breast. We have some roasted potatoes, and then we have some zucchini, if you can see that. It did say some cherry tomatoes and everything, but I just didn't have tomatoes, so I'm not going to worry about it. So this is what we are going to be having for dinner on Sunday, and we will see you on Monday. Hey guys, so today is actually Monday and we are just having leftovers. So we had some chicken Loretta on Sunday. If you have seen my What's for Dinner, that went up on Monday. And we are just having leftover chicken Loretta and some of this roasted Brussels sprouts. So always tried and true, like I always said. And this is what we're having for dinner. And tomorrow we will have a new recipe. So I'll see you then. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday and we're having a new recipe. It is in the Pioneer Woman's new cookbook on page 195. It's a ranch pork chop sheet pan supper. Now it is really simple and it smells really good. It's a little sweet because you have to add honey and all that stuff, but it still smells really good, and I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure anything Pioneer Woman makes, it's going to be good. So this is what it looks like. And then let me get, that's what it's supposed to look like. And this is the results right here. I think it almost looks like the picture, but anyway, so we're going to eat, and this is our dinner for tonight, and tomorrow I work late, so probably going to have leftovers. But anyways, yep. And then we're just having roasted potatoes and roasted zucchini. So that is it, and I will see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is Wednesday and I just came home from a long days of work, and we're having something simple. It is a bacon sandwich as always on a bagel. We have cheese, mayonnaise, and then Jared fried up some bacon for us, and that is what I'm going to eat. It's very simple, but it's also very fulfilling and delicious, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so we have a new recipe, and today is Thursday, so we are doing cast iron pizza from the Pioneer Woman on page 192. It looks really good, really cheesy. We did use some fresh mozzarella and pepperoni and pizza sauce, and then we bought like the 92-cent pizza dough. We didn't want to make any like homemade, but it looks really good. The only thing, Jared forgot to cook some mushrooms for my toppings. I was very upset because we really needed to cook those mushrooms, but it's fine. But it looks really good. So this is what we're having for dinner. Here is the recipe, kinda, cast iron pizza, page 192, and this is what it's supposed to look like. And this is ours, so looks kind of good, but I will see you guys later, and thanks for watching. So it's Sunday, and we're just going to continue on with What's for Dinner for the next 2 weeks, because the past 2 days I have not filmed because we really didn't have anything interesting. My mom came over. We cooked like some rice and some like soup and stuff, but it is Sunday and we are doing a new recipe called No Peak Chicken. So it is a chicken and rice casserole that has rice, cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, onion soup pack, and chicken tenders on top. And it's really easy. You just mix everything together, place the chicken on top, and then sprinkle the onion packet, which this is the brown bits from the onion packet. Sprinkle all that, bake it for an hour and 15 minutes, and voila. This came straight out of the oven, and I had to videotape it because it smelled really good. And it looks really good too. I should have evened out the onion packet on the sides and everything closer to the edges, but it's fine. It smells really good. I'm super excited about this recipe. If you want to find out how to make this, it will be down below in the Pinterest. So this is what we are having for Sunday, and we will see you guys Monday. So today is Monday and we are just having leftovers. It's the chicken and rice casserole that we made yesterday on Sunday. Super, super good. I would do it all over again and it's very yummy. And then I just added some hot sauce and that's about it. So hopefully we won't have leftovers tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have something else. But if we do, it'll probably be the same exact thing. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday and we're having some chili cheese dogs. We haven't had this in a while. So we have some hot dog buns, cheese, chili. We use the Johnsonville Better Cheddar hot dogs and it's really good. We love that brand. And then Jared made some homemade french fries. And yeah, so all I did was put some mayonnaise, mustard, cheese, chili in the hot dog and that's about it. Super simple, and this is what we're having tonight. Hey guys, it's Wednesday, and we are having breakfast. We haven't had this in a while, I don't think, for a couple of weeks. But we're having scrambled eggs, some diced potatoes, and some bacon, and a glass of milk. And the seasoning is just everything but the bagel seasoning, so very simple, very yummy dish. Very quick to put together, and we just love breakfast for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we're just going to eat this and we will see you guys tomorrow. So it is Thursday and this was not planned whatsoever. We were supposed to have leftovers, but yeah, we didn't have any leftovers. So we have the T-bone steaks that Jared just grilled up on the stovetop and then threw them in the oven. And then we have some peas. You guys, I have no vegetables in my refrigerator. That's like a first. So the only vegetable I had was some peas. So that is what we're going to have. I just seasoned them with salt, pepper, and garlic. And we're just going to eat this. And it's a very yummy dish. And yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow.